Popcat has been through a bit of roller coaster lately. Right now, it's sitting at around 16-cent mark after dropping from about 23 cents during the big market wide crash that happened on somewhere on October 10th. But it wasn't just Popcat. The entire market took a hit that day. Bitcoin dropped, altcoins followed, and the Popcat was no exception. So there's no surprise there. If you look at the technical side, Popcat is still in a short-term downtrend. The price is sitting below its 20-day and 50-day moving averages, which tells us that it hasn't fully recovered yet. The broader structure is still weak, and we need to see Popcat move back above those averages before we can call it a proper reversal. Now, if we check the RSI, it's sitting pretty low. It's under 30 on a shorter time frames. So that means Popcat is technically oversold. In simple terms, it means that there's been a lot more selling than buying recently, and that usually signals that the selling pressure might be cooling off. It doesn't mean that the price will instantly go up, but it does suggest that the downside could be limited for now. Volume-wise, things are still active. Popcat's daily trading volume is hovering around $40 to $50 million, which is quite strong. That tells us that there's a lot of participation. People are trading it actively, which helps maintain liquidity and it keeps the market healthy, even if prices are swinging a lot. Now, the thing is, what can we expect going forward? That's the whole point of this video. So for the next month, Popcat is likely to stay in a wide range. If the market stabilizes and sentiment improves, we could see Popcat gradually climb back toward the 25 to 30 cent zone. That would mean a short-term recovery that is driven by traders that are looking for a bounce after the oversold conditions. On the flip side, if Bitcoin or the broader market continues to drop, Popcat could retest the lower levels, somewhere around 10 to 12 cents. That's a key support zone that is based on previous price action and liquidity levels. If that support holds, it could form a base for another move up later. In the short term, the setup right now looks like a waiting game. Technically, Popcat is oversold and it is due for a bounce, but the trend is still weak. If it manages to hold around the current levels and close a few daily candles above the short-term moving averages, that would be the first sign of strength. And if that happens, a move forward toward 20 to 30 cents becomes quite possible within the next few weeks. So overall, the next month for Popcat looks cautiously optimistic. It's not a guaranteed rally, but conditions are improving after the sharp drop. So do keep in mind on the short-term moving averages, watch how the volume behaves, and most importantly, look for confirmation before assuming that the uptrend is back. But nothing here was a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my take on what's currently happening with Popcat. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.